IndicaOnline provides time tracking and payroll modules that allow you to monitor employee timesheets. Clocking in is incredibly simple. When you open Indica POS at the beginning of the day, simply enter your PIN and tap the Clock In and Out button. The device will snap a picture with its front camera, and you'll see a success message at the top of your screen. Keep in mind that the photo will only be taken if the POS app has access to the device camera, so make sure that this permission is granted under Device Settings, Indica POS, Camera for iPad. At this point, you've successfully clocked in and can proceed with your shift as usual. When you're done with your workday, simply switch to the Shifts tab from the customer/patient queue, tap Log Out, enter your PIN, and tap the Clock In and Out button again. You'll see another success message at the top of the screen. At this point, you've successfully clocked out. If you want to view a specific employee, navigate to Config, Staff, and select their profile. Once you've opened their profile, you'll need to select the Time Tracker tab. Here you can specify the desired date range and click Search to view the timesheet activity for that particular period. Each day is accurately logged. All necessary information, including time in, time out, the hourly rate, total hours, and total dollar amount, are immediately visible on the list. If a photo was taken when clocking in or out, you'll be able to view it by pressing the icon next to the timestamp. You can edit information for particular days by clicking the pencil icon, modifying the date/times, and clicking Update. If you'd like to delete a particular day from the timetable, you can utilize the trash bin icon. At the top, next to the date range selector, you'll be able to export the timesheet or add a work shift. For instance, the employee forgot to clock in. If you want to set up the time of automatic clock out or the hourly rate for an employee, navigate to the Clock In and Registers tab on the staff profile and fill in the corresponding fields. To view all of your employees at once, you can navigate to Config, Clock In and Out tab. Here you can see their shift status, clock them in or out, view their history, and change settings for their profile.